Hi guys, it's Danilo from Bambi Baby again, and today we're going to be doing an install in a 2017 Mazda 3. We're going to be installing several different car seats in this vehicle, but before we do that, please don't forget to hit the little bell on the bottom to be alerted to make sure that your car seat's properly installed in your vehicle. Don't forget to comment below to see if you want to see a particular vehicle that we want to install car seats in, and subscribe to our channel. It's very, very important to us. Leave the comments, hit the like button. We love to hear from you. Hi guys. One of the first things to identify in any car seat installation is where your anchor points are in your vehicle. Most modern vehicles have these little points right here that identify that your latch systems are just below it. So what we're going to do here is identify that this Mazda 3 has two anchor points, has a passenger side and a driver side. So the car seat can be installed on either side, but identifying where they are is the most important. So if I sneak in between here and identify that the latch point is under there, that's the key point. So I'm gonna show you how to install this Mesa car seat in this Mazda 3. So here we are in the Mazda 3 with an UPPAbaby Mesa base. The Mesa base is a great base. Has very easy latches to attach. So in order to attach a Mesa base, just press the orange button on top, release the latch all the way together. And I pointed out earlier where that latch point was. Just kind of slide it in between the fabric until you can attach it and hear it latch into place. There's one. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull it out. Make sure you get in between the fabric. Latch point number 2, it's connected. The Mesa car seat is retractable, so it'll retract and tighten by itself as I slide it in. There you go. But if you get up close and look in here, it's still saying it's red. It's not properly installed. So in order to properly install it, put both hands here and start adding pressure until you get a green light. Once it's nice and tight and in place, you can come back in and identify that it's green now. This UPPAbaby base does not move any longer. You have an additional option of putting a seatbelt through here if you wanted to center attach it. So you kind of slide it through, bring it up and over, lock it into place, seatbelt it down, attach it just as if you were seatbelting yourself in, kind of pull snugly onto the base, bring it up and over, top first, bring it down, lock it into place. This base does not move. Awesome. UPPAbaby Mesa. Now I'm going to put the car seat shell onto the base so you can see how it actually attaches. So here we go. Car seat comes off the stroller onto the properly installed base. All you have to kind of do is line it up into the shell, put it in place, and it's locked in place. That's it. It's that simple. To release it, there's a lever on the back of this car seat, and you pick it up, and you're out and about. Awesome.